Hey, Maceo, can you say thank you to Grandma Nancy? Say thank you?
Thank you.
Do you love it? Do you love your hat? Perfect timing. There's Buzz Lightyear. Who's on your hat?
Maceo, who's on your hat?
Who's on your hat? You want me to take that off? Here.
Look at the front of the hat. Who is it?
Okay, Maceo. Who's on the front of this hat? Do you like it? So handsome. Say thank you, Grandma. Say love you. Say love you, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye.
Hi, what? Oh, do you want to say goodbye?
To where?
What's that? Say excuse me. What were you going to say? You want to say goodbye to Grandma? Blow her a kiss?
Goodbye.
Do you want to blow her a kiss?
No.
You don't want to blow her a kiss? Okay. Well, thank you for the hats, Grandma. They're so cute. We love them. Bye-bye, Maceo. Bye-bye.